All right, guys, so here I am working on this is a 2015 Buick Regal. I think the door lock actuator was causing problems. It wasn't unlocking the door when you'd hit the button, so that's what I assume the issue is, so that's what I'm changing today. So once you get the door panel off, there will be 3 torque screws right here. 1, 2, 3. That's what holds in this actuator deal. So to take it out of the door, you gotta peel back this plastic, and then this is the power plug for it. So all you do is lift up on these red tabs, so one on each side, and that will disconnect the power for this connector here. And then you have to undo the rod from this yellow tab. So all you do is put a screwdriver or something down in that hole, or just pick up on this if you can. And that is what disconnects this rod in here. This rod goes to the outside door handle. So you'll want to make sure you get that all hooked back up when you're all said and done. So I'm just putting, this is the new one I'm putting in. So other than that, oh, there is a rod right here. This is the actual rod that goes in the door. This is what you see sticking out from the door panel. This is the, I don't know, door lock that you would see coming up and down in the door panel like that. So that can actually come all the way out of the door, so I just set it off to the side, but it will plug in to this part of the door lock. So I will hook this back up and see if it works. One thing I forgot to mention is on the new actuator, you will have to transfer over this wire. This goes into the inside door handle. So it hooks up right here. You open up this little door thing, this little plastic door, and you can see the cable runs down this way and plugs into this. Well, it doesn't plug in, it just slides into that metal thing. So once you open up this little flap, there's a release tab on the back side. So you lift up that tab, and then you can slide this out and transfer it over to your new actuator.